Hey everybody, how you doing? Street stock at North Wilkesboro Speedway, North Carolina. 0.63 mile track with 4th degree banking. I just got done with my Wheel and Tour modified race and jumped right into this one. Hey, there's the satellite cam. Take a look at that. Kind of look at turns 1 and 2. They're a little bit wider, a little bit more sweeping than turns 3 and 4. It also looks like 3 and 4 narrow up just a little bit. Okay, anyway, I'm in the car number 2 and I am starting in 5th position here on the inside. Didn't have the best qualifying run, but a pretty good run. This is my first video in the street stock for this season 203. Last week at Oxford Plains, I finished dead last, 25th in my first race. I did finish second in my second attempt there.
All right, guys, pop up here on the wall. Get ready to kick this thing off. Let's go have some fun today. No matter what it gives us, man, we're going to make the best
But that second race was a 6-car minimum field, so we're not going to count that. All right, so SR took a beating in the Wheeling Tour. Let's see if we can't gain a little bit of that back. No tires this season available in the street stock, so what you've got on the car is what you've got to run with. This is a 45-lap race.
All right, boss, get a good start. Green flag.
All right, here we go. How's this going to work out going into turn 1? I'm down low. Going to run that grass. All right, very good, very good. Got a pretty tight field here. This is the 3rd of 6 splits. I've relinquished my 5th place back to 6th place. That's okay. We're kind of strung out here. There's still side by side behind us here, but us first 6, 7, we've gotten into a line here. Come right down on that curb. You can even kind of barely kiss that curb in the street stocks here, and it won't upset you too much. But you got to be real careful. You can get light, and there that 10 car gets light. There's nowhere I can go. I'm on the brakes, but I'm afraid about getting rear-ended, and around I come. And I get I get plowed by the 20. The 19 hits me. I'm at the end of the field all of a sudden because it was a late caution.
Yes, I do, sir. Really?
Oh, man. Not a good start. But I was just going to comment that in going into turn 1, off the straight, if you sail that off in there and kind of float the rear end, it'll come around on you. But like I mentioned before here at North Wilkesboro, these are slow, lazy spins versus just quick snaps. And that one got me there. He just kind of spun real slowly, and there's no place for me to go. I should have got on the binders a little harder. So anyway, here we go. Restarting in 18th spot. This is a 20-car field. So I'm not dead last, but it sure looks like it, doesn't it? Well, the old Texaco Haviland showing some battle scars already. Okay, starting in the very back. This is very unfamiliar to me. I'm going to have to avoid the wrecks and try to get through this field here. A lot of laps to go. Patience, patience, patience is the... Look at these guys all wiggling around. That 14 there, he's just all over the place. Everybody trying to get position. See? Okay, right there, coming out of 4. Got in the gas a little too hard and the rear end floated, but I was able to catch it. Ooh, we got another one spinning around.
21.49.
You know what time it is. Crank that knob to 11.
In front of you, slowing on the outside. Stay to the bottom, stay to the bottom. Outside, outside. 21.42. Still outside on your quarter. Still outside. Still there at your door. Still there outside. 20.864. Still there. Clear.
Okay, you saw the 19 get me on the outside lane there, and as I mentioned in the tour mod, the outside lane here at North Wilkesboro seems to work at times. You can really keep them RPMs up and get around a guy. 19 got by the one on the outside, and I'm going to follow his lead.
Clear low, inside. You clear him.
You can kind of pinch them down and take away their line from sweeping out to the wall and then get them.
7-3.
Okay, hey, up to 15th. Oh, got a big one up front here. Several of them. Well, I gained a couple more positions there, I do believe. We'll check the standings board here when I cross the start-finish line.
The road is open.
No need to pit. No tires, no fuel. Okay, things shake out. We're going to line up for a restart here. I am in 13th on the inside line. Boy, the Texaco Haviland looks beat up. Oofta.
Pace car's off, be ready.
Well, I hate being in the middle. I hate being in the back, but I hate being in the middle even more. Middle of the pack. Okay, here we go. 19, I've been kind of just following him around a little bit. Let's see where he's going to take us. He's staying on that middle high line. Ooh, somebody smacks the wall, bang, back and forth pinball. But they hold it together, they hold it together. So I dive down. Ooh, we got more spinning in 4. Holy smokes, just wrecks all over the place. Look at that field right there come through.
All right, buddy. Line up behind the 19.
Wow, well, I'm up to 11th now. Well, I'm back to 12th here on the restart after a cycle around. Okay, well, I was in 18th. I've gained 6 spots, 1 by passing and the rest by attrition. Boy, my pretty car is beat up, though. Wow. SR taking a pounding. If I lose my A license, that doesn't, bother me too bad. I've had it and lost it before. I'll get it back, but right now, according to the schedule, I'm not going to be doing a lot of A races. I don't own many of the tracks, and I'm not going to buy them just to run. So here we go. Restart, green flag. We get a couple laps under our belt here. I'm up high, working that middle high line. Got to back out for the 19, that's okay. And then what? Another one, cars all over the place. Block the track, bang, bang, bang. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Holy smokes. Just nowhere to go. I was going to follow the 19 through that mess, and then he got collected by the 3 car. All right, well,
the road is closed.
We're at 8 incident points.
Behind the 12 in front of you. Pit road is
Add that to the 12 that I had in the Wheeling Tour. Hey, we're fighting for the bottom here.
Line up behind the 12. But coming to green this time.
Okay, after that all cycled through, I'm in 4th place. All right, 18 to 4th, and just a few green flag laps and a whole lot of caution laps. Well, this is rather surprising, but okay, I'm up front now. Let's see if I've got anything for these guys. The car feels pretty good, just a lot of sheet metal damage, I think. It's been working good, but this has been pretty crazy here. Guys making moves in the first 2 or 3 corners in the backstretch, trying to gain position, and I understand that that's how sometimes it works, but
hey, baby, do your thing.
We got a little over 10 laps to go.
That was real nice. That was nice. Get a rhythm.
Get a rhythm. I'm going to try. Working that outside lane. I wash up just a little too high, and I'm forced to. Oh, we got another. Bang! Wow! I just almost got clipped in the rear there by the 20. Holy smokes! What a demolition derby. But hey, I didn't get no X on that one. All right.
So take a Captain Morgan and Diet Coke.
Captain Morgan and Diet Coke. No, I'll take a strong Coke. Thank you very much.
Come on now. Come on. 10 to go, baby. Pit road closed.
10 to go. I'm lined up in 5th place.
Give me a quick radio check, please.
Working lap 37. Well, you know what? Can we get 7 green flag laps? I've lost count. I think we've had. I think the first run was the longest run at what? Maybe 5. Oh my gosh, what a wreck fest. If I can just maintain and get a top 5 here, I mean, that's going to be a win. All right, restart.
Ready. Green flag out. 38.019.
Got the 5 working me on the outside, but I think I'm going to be able to hold it down on the grass on the inside lane and take that 5th position and maintain it. Ooh, I got way loose there.
Working the bottom.
5's going to dive underneath me.
9.
But working that middle line with the RPMs and powering out, I might be able to hold on to him. He's trying hard on the inside. Give him that. All right, coming into 3. He's got the preferred line. I got to be careful about getting loose out here and hitting the wall. I held on to it, but he's got the line, so I'm back to 6th now. Working lap 40. Okay. Well, okay, let's see if I can regroup here and get one of these positions back. I want this top 5. I mean, that's the position I started. That would be an even Steven, you know what I mean? So I got 4 all over my, 14 all over my rear bumper here. The 5 ain't done trying to collect positions. He's gonna hold the 9 up to the high lane, and he's going to take him. So I'm going to dive in here and see if I can't get past the 9 myself. Ooh, the 5 hits the grass, and here we go. Let's add to that X count. Why not?
Caution. The road is closed. You're going to be
all right, 12X. That's what I had with the Tour mod. Let's not break that record, okay? Well, hey, we're working lap 42, and no green-white checkers, so this is the white flag, the last lap, and I'm in 6th spot, but don't go away. A little bit more drama has yet to occur. So I'll tell you real quickly while we're waiting for that drama. After the SK modified at North Wilkesboro last week, my SR was 3.05. And after this race here and the Whelen Tour race, I dropped almost a full point down to 2.11. So, I mean, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. That Texaco Haviland is beat up. But anyway, so we're coming down here, white flag under caution. Now watch this. 2nd place car goes past the pace car and the leader and takes the stripe before everybody else. That is a penalty. End of the longest line. He's going to drop back to, okay, watch me on the leaderboard. I'm in 6th, and then it's going to jump up to 5.
A couple of these guys might try a power move down there into 1.
And there it goes. And he is going to drop, I don't know where he's going to drop to.
Great job, fellas.
I didn't, pay attention. Is he the 7 car? But anyway, that has happened to me before where the pace car jumped out at a weird time. Many races ago, but we've had some rather odd races here at North Wilkesboro. The last 2 that I've been a part of, the Whelen Tour, remember I gained a spot because of somebody juking down pit road. Still not sure what that was about. Now I just gained a spot because the car rushed it to the start-finish line and passed the pace car. You can't do that. All right, wow, look at that beat-up car. Ooh, well, started 5th, finished 5th. I'll take that as a win, especially since I was relegated back to 18th position after that first wreck. Well, guys, thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.